It's not gonna take me that long to figure out my full opinion on this thing because hopefully it's just a good product. But maybe it's trash. Who knows? We'll see. We gonna see. Nathan, did you buy one of these? Probably not. You probably got 8 Starlights, don't you? You gotta have a backup just in case one of them breaks. Just in case the scroll wheel falls off. Cable, you know, it's a cable. This thing should have dropped wireless, in my opinion. Like this wire shouldn't even exist. Why is Glorious dropping wired mice in 2022? Why? Like this just should have been wireless. This coding, I don't hate. Like it's pretty grippy. It doesn't feel slippery. I wonder if I'll get confused using all these buttons. Like this one is actually good placement. Like this is very natural for your fingers to rest on. Like this is a much better implementation than what SteelSeries did. Like the way SteelSeries did it was absolutely garbage, but this is actually functional. Sticks out definitely a lot at the very end of it, but I would think that you would want it to stick out more closer to where your finger actually interacts with it. So let's see what this one is. If you don't want to use that button at all, you put this one on. These 3 buttons are probably enough. But again, this is supposed to be an MMO mouse, and I don't really play MMOs. So, okay. Maybe all these can come out. Oh, yep, I was right. Oh, I like that one. Which one is this one for? The middle? All right, middle doesn't come out. Front one doesn't come out. What's up, Timmy? Wire mouse drops now. It's 2022. Yeah, like what is Glorious doing dropping wired mice in 2022? Like, in my opinion, from this point forward, all mice should be wireless. No ifs, ands, or buts. Okay, so this is if you don't want to use the third one up here. This whole contraption right here, I think this is a little bit much, having all 3 of these. Like that's a lot, and like having this one, so I see how it could get a little bit confusing. So we're gonna go back with the default here. So guys, I found my ideal configuration already after a little bit of experimentation. Default button here, and then these 2 buttons, and then the empty shell for the back 3rd button, well 4th button maybe, 3rd inline button, whatever. But this is just a little bit too much going on. I feel like it would be too easy to get confused in game. We're gonna rock with this, play some games with the thing and see what we think. But before we play some games, since we gotta squeeze these things, guys, we gotta squeeze these things. Destiny is technically, yeah, that's true. Build quality seems good. Very rigid. The bottom's not flexing either. Yeah, I don't know who's actually gonna try and, you know, flex the bottom of their mouse. And honestly speaking, this would probably be really useful for Destiny, especially since like there's like the air abilities, there's a dash, all types of other crazy stuff. Had to unplug my X-Lite Beat too, the blue one that I got from Max Gaming. This thing is sexy. I love this. I would totally cop if it's still available, if you're looking for the best blue mouse out there, in my opinion. Final thoughts: Model I blows. There's a lot of hate for this mouse. Now, like, do we hate the mouse or do we hate Glorious? Because, like, if you hate Glorious, I fully understand. Like, I'm not a fan of Glorious myself. I'm not. If I tell you how much money it took me to like the GMK Pro, that's all you need to know. And I'm gonna go through with you guys too. I'm gonna go through it. Let's talk about it. If I look at the books, as Siobhan Samuel would say, this says 69 grams. And the mouse ain't wireless. So you have to include the case. Nah, fam. You released a wired mouse in 2022. Put the right weight on the box. That's just wrong. Model wireless is alright. Yeah, model wireless is alright. I'd rather use like a Viper or anything else. Got better Kovacs with it. You can't aim with another mouse. Yeah, I mean, I think Razer really needs to chill out with the long drawn out names. Honestly, like they got some wild names. Basilisk, V2 Pro, Ultimate, Game On Edition. I'm like, bro, what the heck? What the heck? Like, stop it. Just chill, relax. Simplify the name releases. That's number one. Do like the Samsung phones. They just gave up. S22. What year is it? 2022. Razer Viper, you know, apostrophe 22, the most recent release. Then 2 years later, Razer Viper 2024. Like, they don't have to make it rocket science. There's no reason for that. No more poor performance. Like I said, we do this. Nope. Ah! We wasted a whole game trying to get this junk right. If the mouse just had 2 buttons, we'd have been all right. Ah, my shotty wasn't out. I knew I was dead anyways. We probably would have traded best case scenario. I missed every shot. I'm trash. I cannot. I just gave away the lead to that guy. Yo, how does this guy have 16 kills already? He's been going in the whole game. This guy cheated. He's cheating. Not really, but hey, quick guns with a sub. I see you, cuz. How you doing, fam? Oh no, that should have been a headshot. That's cap. They lied on my name. These side buttons suck though. I do not like these side buttons at all. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm not dead. I don't like these side buttons at all. Like, it's very confusing which one you should be hitting, and that's not what you want in a game like this. Come on, young man. Oh, I'm outranged. Is he gonna pull up? 5 minutes. Give me that heavy ammo. Yo, this is like perfect spot. I got max range. This is ideal. Oh, that hurt. Ow. Ooh. That's tough. That's tough. I'm dead. I'm not dead. Yeet. Oh, I'm out of here. Oh, I ain't about to hit me in no Super Bowl way. It doesn't matter. I already won. You're trash. Doodle butter. I know you guys can't see it, but it was a 3.0. Okay. Nothing great about that. I mean, that's like 20-7 or 8. It's not good. It's not good. This mouse is not good though. At least I don't recommend it for FPS games at all. The weight is good. The shape is fine. But this mouse needs 2 side buttons. Like, there's no way in the world I could recommend this to anybody to play FPS games. Like this whole situation right here, and these tiny, easy to hit, but still tiny side buttons. Even when you take one of them away, still bad. I just could not. I want to say the G502 is just a little bit better. Oh my god, you're trash, man. Oh, come on. Yo, chill. Okay, what's up? What's up with it? What's up with it, man? I'm weak. I'm weak. I got no shotgun shots. Good thing I looked. I would have died. Come on. Oh. G502 has a scroll wheel. Yeah, exactly. This ain't got nothing. I mean, like, I can aim well with it. Shoots. Oh, yeah. I'm so tired of helping all these people that just don't appreciate me. Oh, I'm out of here. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Oh, that's Cap. Look at, he had no help. They lying on my name. They are lying on my name, cuz. A second place? Are you kidding me? Oh, that's the same guy? Come on. I guess not. See, I had a better KD than this guy, though. At least he had a 4.0, and I dealt way more damage. But I helped a lot of people get some free kills that game. So I feel like I was the real MVP of that game because this guy didn't stand a chance without stealing kills that I was planning on stealing. So he ain't nobody.